My grandfather started farming when he moved from Armenia, and my grandfather passed away early when my father was in his early 20s. So my dad took on the responsibility real quick.
Well, I chose to be organic because I got tired of using all these chemicals, the smell, and then once you go through there and spray, you can hear a pin drop, you know. And then I was starting to have children, and I didn't want them to be exposed to all that stuff that I was seeing.
We were young, we were playing, throwing dirt bombs and playing house in the fields, and he noticed, you know, all the signs you have to put out and so many 3, 7-day, 10-day re-entries to go in the field. And obviously if that's such a big deal just to walk in the field, then, you know, obviously there's not too much good that plays out in that. My company is labeled Three Sisters because my parents had 3 daughters. Being a woman farmer is pretty unique because most women don't like to get dirty. You know, little dirt don't hurt is how I see it. Yeah, it's very important to walk your fields each day. I wish I could walk every row each day, but every morning I try to either I walk or I get on my bicycle instead of riding around in my pickup truck, and I'll take a row and just check on each block and each field. You know, a lot of people like to pick early. You know, a lot of people, I know I have farmer friends and they're just like, oh, I'm done, I'm all boxed up and I'm picked, and yeah, but where's the quality in what you harvested, you know, because they quicker the better for them.
How long do they typically sit here and dry?
Normally 10 days. And this is, you know, this is farming. You have to come out here and know this is how you can tell. This is ready, yeah, this is ready to be rolled. Because sometimes you get pickers that they dump the grapes on there and they're stacked. Then you got to go in there and you kind of have to just move them around, make sure, you know, they're on this is a skillet. They got to kind of be all open. My organic raisins have better quality than the other raisins that you get in the store because of the integrity and the patience that goes into growing that product. The health benefits in my raisins are it's a natural food, it's a natural sugar, and it gives you a lot of energy. You know, normally if you come in the springtime, there's cover crop here. So you're like, well, where's the cover crop? Well, there's my nutrients that got dished into the soil. It helps build the nutrients by disking it in because all the beneficials that are in the cover crop suppresses and, of course, you know, adds the nutrients to the vines. Also, it's beneficial to pest management, you know. The different flowers attract the good bugs that kill the bad bugs, you know, it's habitat. I think 1 Degree has a great path for the future, and now that with, you know, everybody starting with the iPhones and the scanning, it benefits the buyers and the producers because they also get their word out there to the buyers to let them know that the great pride that the grower is taking into the product, and you know exactly where the product is coming from, and that's what's going into your body. I think it's very important to know exactly where it comes from because it's you. You only get to live once. This is Mother Nature's home, not mine, and I'm just helping to take care of it and conserve it for the next generation.